Hello. In this video tutorial, I'll go over how to connect Jstor library resources to your Canvas modules. So the first thing you'll do is go to the Gertrude Kistler Memorial Library website. I'm going to do a basic search to look for resources I want to add to a class. Now I'm going to limit these to articles and ebooks. So let me start by looking at articles. This one looks interesting. American Indian and European American women's perspectives of domestic violence. So let's say I want to assign this to a class. There are a couple things you can do. First, if you click on the article, you'll come to this main page. And then click Share, and it will give you a permalink, which will link students directly to the page you're seeing in front of you. And then students would log in to access it. I'm going to do that. Add it, and there we go. Now, let's say you want students to go directly to the article. You don't want them to go through the library website. I'm going to click here on Access Online, view full text. Now, on the left-hand side here, it says permalink. Now, depending on which database you're using, it may have a different name. So, for example, if I do another article through this is through Wiley, it may say something a little bit different. We have this one that says share. Let's go back to my original one and click on permalink. A permalink means that will send students directly to this page. Moreover, it won't change. So for example, at the top of the page, there's a URL right now. That is unique to my browsing history right now. Only I can use this URL. But the permalink means that anyone can use this URL. So what I do is click permalink, go to my Canvas page, just on the URL, add items. And students will directly go there. Now, let's say I want to add an ebook to my course. I'm going to change my search from article to ebook. Okay. And I see the religious imagination of American women. So I'm going to use that one. I can do the same again. So I can hit share from here, copy the link, and it'll bring students straight to this page. Or I can click View eBook. On the right-hand side, it says permalink. Bada bing, bada boom. And link it again. Now, let's say you want students to actually have a PDF, that you don't want them going to the library, you want them to have a PDF. So let's go back and look at just articles. And we'll go for Reaching African American and Native American Women. I'll click on that as it slowly loads. Access Online, view full text. Okay. So this one's a little bit different. You can see references related, share, tools, PDF. I'm going to click on PDF. So depending on which database you're using, it may look a little bit different, but it will always bring you to this PDF. Very, very pretty page. Then you're going to want to save it. So right here is this beautiful little downward arrow. Download. And it'll save right to your computer. It's right down here. Now, if we're using another database, I'm going to quickly pull up Jstor. That looks a little bit different. Jstor will have the download button as well, or when you click on the image itself, you'll see the PDF, but you're still going to want to click download. Accept and download. It brings up a different page, and again, you'll click on this little arrow, which it will then save. Okay, so I've downloaded the PDFs. Now I want students to access them. So on Canvas, I'm going to click Choose Files, and I will drag the article over. It'll upload. Very slowly. And now students can directly click on this, and there you go. They don't have to go through the library. They have direct access to the PDF. Then they can download, they can print, what have you. So I hope this video helps explain how to use our library resources effectively in your Canvas modules. If you have any questions, please contact us at library@rosemont.edu. And have a great day.